Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring power and permissions so GPS can lock quickly. Charge the watch above 20% and pair it to your phone via Bluetooth. Open the Firebolt app and allow location access when prompted. Once done, on the watch go to Settings, choose Location and switch GPS on. This activates the satellite receiver. Making these moves first speeds satellite acquisition and avoids interruptions during tracking, so don't skip pairing and permissions. Now begin the actual track. On the watch, pick an outdoor sport that uses GPS like outdoor run or walk, then wait for the satellite icon or GPS signal indicator to show a lock. Start the activity only after the lock appears. This reduces drift and gives accurate distance. If readings feel off, stop and walk slowly for 30 to 60 seconds to help the receiver calibrate. The app will record warm-up data and improve precision once you resume the session. Finish by stopping and saving the session on your watch so GPS coordinates are written to memory. Make sure to sync with the Firebolt app to upload the route, view maps, splits, and export data if needed. If GPS won't lock, try toggling location off/on, restart the watch, and move to an open area away from buildings or trees. These steps usually fix signal issues. If problems persist, update firmware via the app to improve GPS stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.